Good evening to everyone. Myself Vikashni and my team members Sujita and Shweta. We are from Kongu Engineering College. Our project topic is Alzheimer disease detection using machine learning and deep learning algorithms. Our project guide is Mr. K. Sendaman Silvan, sir. Introduction. First of all, deep learning. Deep learning is a state of art machine learning approach. Has shown outstanding performance over a traditional machine learning in identifying intricate structures in complex high dimensional data, especially in the domain of the computer version. The application of deep learning to early detection and automated classification of Alzheimer's disease has recently gained considerable attention as rapidly progress in neural imaging techniques has generated large-scale multimodal neural imaging data. And Alzheimer is one of the types of dementia. It is a brain disorder disease which occurs for the people of age 60. And nowadays, it affects the middle-aged people also. So we focus on this disease, and they are trying to control the disease with various techniques. Dr. Alzheimer disease, Dr. Alois Alzheimer was the first to notice it after witnessing a lady die as a result of internal brain tissue alterations. Alzheimer disease is caused by both genetic and environmental factors. Those affects the brain of the person over time. The genetic changes generates a person will develop the disease. This disease breaks the brain tissue over the time. It occurs to people over the age of 65. Objective. The objective is to detect whether the person has Alzheimer disease or not by using the conventional neural network algorithm. We have referred some of the papers, and here we have mentioned a few details of the papers. Modules. In our data set, we have done the pre-processing, testing and training the data, and finally the conventional neural network algorithms. Missing values handling. By using mean, we have handled the missing values in our data set. The bot shot. Based on our data set, we classified the data into the two groups as dementia and non-demented. And to specify the gender, 0 and 1 is used. Here, 0 is noted female and 1 is denoted as male. The working of CNN algorithm. A CNN model conventional layer is frequently broken into two parts, feature extraction and feature mapping. Each neuron in the feature extraction segment is coupled to the higher layer local respective field to extract local features. Conventional is conducted on the input when a spatial link between the local feature and other feature is discovered using a learnable filter or kernel to construct a feature map in the feature map stage. Each neuron compute the output of the neuron associated to respective field in the input by computing the dot product of its weight and a local respective field via feature mapping. To create a variety of the feature map, a series of learnable filter may be employed. The number of the parameters that must be adjected in the CNN is greatly reduced using this technique. After the conventional layer, a pooling map such as a max pooling layer conducts a spatial down sampling orders. We have efficiently reduced the feature solution using our invasion dual feature extraction approach.
And the next one is a feature map. In this, the input image will be split into a layers and capture the result of applying the filter to an input image units. In a convolutional neural network, hidden layers are divided into a feature map, which each feature map having the same weight matrix. And a hidden layer is divided into a feature map. And the next one is ReLU. Our ReLU is denoted as a rectified linear net unit. In this, it helps to prevent the exponential growth in the computation required to operate the neural network. That all negative values become a zero instantly, and reducing the model capacity to fit or train from the input correctly. That is, any negative input to the ReLU activation function immediately convert the value to zero, as shown in the figure. And the next one is max pooling. Here are the of the individual layer of a feature map, where in a pooling is similar to applying a filter to a feature map, in that it entails selecting a pooling procedure, where a max pool will compute the maximum value for each patch of the feature map. And finally, the convolutional neural network 75 95% accuracy level is achieved, and in a confusion matrix we calculated as shown in the figure, with precision, recall, and F1 score being used for further study of the classification problem. Based on the characteristics in the feature extractor, a convolutional neural network that suggests approach can diagnose the disease and offer the accuracy of the Alzheimer disease. And here, Health Lab is a website where we have created, and where each unique image may be uploaded in that website, and the accuracy for the image is displayed. Here, the accuracy for the image is displayed as 0.116. And here are some reference of our papers. Thank you.